Similarly, same. Okay, I'll take one more sheet here. Business partners, customers, which is so any transaction which is related to accounts receivable, right? Any transaction which is related to customers will be stored in accounts receivable part, accounts receivable subledger. Okay, this is called one subledger. Here also we create one reconciliation account. So whenever you post any transaction to the customers, system automatically will update in the reconciliation account. So in the business partner customers, we link GL reconciliation account. Similarly, like accounts payable. So here also while creating customers, we create general data and company code data. What else? And sales related, right? Sales org data. So we have three types of data for creating a customer. General data, this again, FL, FL, tell me. This is address related data. This is company code such as payment terms and so on. Okay. Sales organization data. This is something we'll discuss during FISD integration. Usually sales order currency. Here also payment terms. Okay, etc. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Getting recorded. Okay. So FL, FLV, FLCN. So let us check the. So this is BP role. This is BP role. So what we have done for the suppliers, it was general data FL VN 00 at the same time FL VN 01. This is so for the general data it was 000. Okay, this is role for the general data for suppliers. This is company code role for the suppliers. This is for purchasing organization data for suppliers. Similarly here also FLCU 0. So this sorry this is 000 only. Okay, this is here FLCU 00 and FLCU 01. So this is just role it is. So under role we maintain all the details. Okay, it should come like this. So there are three types of data: general data, company code data, sales org data. So we update the relevant data in the respective BP roles. So here also we define customers. What kind of customers? Domestic customers. You do business in India itself, in the same country itself. Domestic customers. Okay, and you may have customers abroad also. So foreign customers. Similarly, like accounts payable. Here also you might have one-time customers. One customer will come and they don't come again to purchase something from a company. One-time customers. So like this we can create different account groups. These are called account groups. Okay. So here we define as business partner grouping. Now we'll see the configuration. What is the configuration required for customers and business partners? What is the link between business partners and customers? Also, some stuff related to the number ranges. Also, some stuff related to the master data. We'll see all the configuration settings now for the accounts receivable business partner customers configuration. So let us go to the system SPRO IMG. So financial accounting. I'm just starting with financial accounting. Accounts receivable, accounts payable, customer accounts. We are discussing customer accounts. Select master data, preparations for creating customer master data. So define account groups with screen layout customers. It's a similar step, sir. So there is no difference. Whatever we learned for accounts payable, we are doing the same thing for customers. Okay. If you if you are like I think Ashwin, I think you were on leave, right? Last Saturday, I think, if I'm not wrong. So even though if you are like not able to understand that time, now you'll understand everything. Okay. So since you are listening for accounts receivable customer, it's a similar. So select one. I'm selecting first one. Click on copy. Remove this one. I'm just started copied 0001. Okay. Then I will give my own VZ domestic customers. Okay. Verizon domestic customer. I'm giving just identification. I will write it as very so you can see here domestic customers for Verizon. So VZ01. Okay. Now press enter, click on save, continue. So before continuing, this is not our company code. Let us check our company code if it is exist here. So it's there. So I'm just selecting this one, continue. So select this one, double click here. Now you can see the same thing what we discussed in the Excel tracker: general data, company code data, sales data. So general data, so this also controls field status. If you look at here, field status, general data. So field status, see field status, it is there. So like address details, for example, take consider address details. So while creating customer for this account group, system automatically takes the fields either suppress, required, optional, display. For example, if you say, sir, I want city as mandatory for my customer, each customer, so I'll make it as required entry. So whenever I create customer for this account group, system will ask you to enter the postal code and city. This becomes mandatory. Suppress, it won't show any field, it will hide the field. This will show the field. This will, it's an optional whether you want to enter the value or not enter the value. So so in short, account groups controls the fields of the master data for the creating the customer. Okay, it will control fields during master data creation of customers. Any questions on this transaction, guys? Okay, come back. So we create what we create. We have done. We created one account group. For this account group, I'm expecting one number ranges. If you scroll down, create number ranges for customer accounts. Just to try to understand. Okay, here intervals. So here it is little difficult getting the number range because many users are working on the same system, but we'll try to get it. So let us take which is available number. I think I should get in the business partner also. The number should be same. The same number range should be here also for account group customers. Both should be the same number range. Okay, which will be the best one? Okay, you mean to say this one we'll consider? Huh, huh. So let us take from 4,100. Okay, something. But I should get the same number range there also. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. We'll try. So here, what I'll do, I'll make it 100. I'll copy here. I'll make it 200. So 100 customers I can create it from Verizon domestic customers. Okay, I think VD is already there. What I will do, I remove this um, domestic Verizons. Anyone has mentioned as DV? No, right? Okay. So click on external, click on save. So internal DV overlaps, sir. It is already mentioned here something. HSC. So DV with HSC. So did I took wrong? This one only. This one. Huh. 4 lakhs 9,099. Yeah, okay. So let us take from 4 lakhs then. HN. What I will do, I'll make it this one from 4 lakhs. I'm not sure this is exist or not, but we'll see. This one, This also overlaps with HCC only. So I'm thinking I think I'm giving wrong then. Sir. Okay, so we'll do one thing then. But I'm not sure whether you will get it in the business partner. That's the main problem. But we'll see. So 2 is there. Okay, let me do that one thing then. 7, 8, 8, 7, and also there is no 6, 5. Okay, what I'll do, I'll consider 6 here. Is that okay, guys? We'll see if this works. So here I want to mention as DV presenter. Oh my God, HEC already mentioned someone. HEC, who maintained HEC? HEC has maintained here. So I don't see HEC with starting with a 6 digit, right? A little confused. HEC starts with 4 zeros. But system considering this one also with the 6 series. How come? So let us take this one then. Control C, control 101, 200. So I'm trying to give this one. Click on external, press enter. So luckily we got this one. Okay. So this problem you will not have in the real time because no one will create, right? I mean, it's up to you and you, maybe max 1 or 2 users. I mean, from our consulting team only. So you will design accordingly and then you will define display. So what we define? We define this one 101 DV. This one we define 101 to 200 external. Okay, second number. This is a second step. Third step, just assign between account group and the number ranges. So go to the position. What is the account group we define? Anyone? VZ? DV? Not DV, sir. It's a customers. So um, VZ DC. Yep. So change this one to what is ours? DV. Getting confused with the identifications. Where is on group? So we assigned we assigned DV to the VZDC account group. So three steps. So first step, we created account group, then created the number ranges. We linked between account group and number ranges. This is for customer account groups. We are talking about customers. Later in the next configuration step, we discuss about business partners. Okay. This is customer account group configuration. Now these are the three steps which were there in ECC system also. Now we are defining business configuration settings which were not defined in ECC. They are new steps actually. So I'll start from here. Uh, so cross application components. Scroll down. Where is SAP business partner? Yeah, it's there here. SAP business partner. So someone has any question? So SAP business partner, basic settings. So number ranges and groupings. Here also we define number ranges and groupings. So define number ranges. Click on change intervals. Here also we need to define the same number range. Otherwise your business partner and customer number will be different. So what I have to do? I'll take that same DV. I'll give the same number range. I hope we should get it. Otherwise will be difficult. We'll see the other scenario also. So from number modifiable only well status is okay. So where is that one? So DV, right? So here what we done? We created 201 I think. No. It was 101 only, right? So number ranges, change your intervals. So click here, DB. Okay. So the problem is here also we have different identifier. See, it's already there DB. Someone has used DB. So what I'll do, I'll create something else where is on V1. Okay. I'll take V1 as a number range here, but we'll see whether it will consider or not. Number range, I don't think it will be a problem, but at least number range should system should expecting same number range. Here not required. Okay. Click on save. So luckily we got the number range. Continue. Click on back. So what we have defined, sir, we defined one number range for business partner. Now we are assigning number range and grouping. Here also we need to define one group. New entries. So here also what I'll do, VCDC. Okay. So business partner, BP, uh, Verizon, customers. Okay. Here also business partner, Verizon, customer, number range. What is that? We defined V1. V1, sir. Okay. We defined V1. Is that correct, guys? Or have done something wrong? Let us confirm once. So this is the one, Sandeep. Okay, V1. So we defined as V1. Click on save. So we define. So what we have done? So earlier there we have defined 3 steps. Here we defined 2 steps. One thing, one business partner number ranges we defined, and then we defined group as well as and assign the number ranges. Let's close this one. Close this one. Now we need to integrate. We need to link between your customer account groups, the initial configuration and the business partner configuration. So some synchronization needs to be happened, which is called master data synchronization. So here customer vendor integration, business partner settings for customer integration. Earlier we had seen vendor integration. Now we are seeing customer integration. Next, field assignment for customer integration, assign keys. So here define number assignment for direction business partner to customer. So we want the customers. So here also new entries. What is our group? VZDC, right? At the same time, this is also same if I'm not wrong. VZDC, press enter. So see business partner Verizon customers, domestic customers for Verizon. Basically both are same. But same if you click this one, so system gives the same number. While creating customer number, your business partner number and your customer number will be same. If at all, if I don't give this one, and in case if your number ranges are different, then so system automatically, so business partner will be different and your customer number will be different. But usually 99.9 cases we should define the same number range. Okay, number range should be same. Otherwise, users will not understand what is your business partner number and supplier and customer number. Let us understand while creating the master data customer. So we have done with the business partner configuration settings. Now we'll proceed to create master data customer. So come back. So accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable. We started accounts receivable. So here master records. See master records here. So create. So when I click here, so system gives a message here redirecting to transaction business partner as transaction FD01 is absolute, because in ECC we were using all these transactions FD01, 02, 03, XK01, 02, 03. So those transactions are absolute. Now it is redirected to the business partner transaction. So select organization, click on continue. So I'll just close this one in order to make the screen very big. So now before creating customer, you have to select your own groups. We have already created the grouping, right? So what is our group? Anyone? Yes, if you look at here, Verizon domestic, sorry, not this one, this one. Okay, this is grouping, business partner grouping it is. So BP Verizon customers, select this one. Okay, now first start with always general data, all zeros, general data business partner. Okay, so this general data contains all the normal address details fields. So address details and company details. Now tell me the one customer for Verizon. Anyone? Tell me the customer for Verizon. Okay, so Sandeep's favorite customer, Starlink. Okay, so country region in and gives let us see if we have any mandatory fields. I'm not sure. Let us click on save. We'll see if it is if the system is so system is not asking now, but it may ask later. So we have created one business partner. So Ashwin, you got the you're able to understand, right? At least till now. Okay. So this number we created, right? So the business partner has been created. We created just only general data, triple zero, all zeros. Now go to the change mode. Now when you create, we need to assign this customer to our company code. So what is your company code business partner role? FL. See earlier we defined this one for accounts payable. Now we need to define for this one. If a customer FI FLCU00. This is what explained in the Excel tracker, right? So now the company code details, this has been activated. Now click on company code. When I select this role, system will prompt with the company code details. Now click on your company code here. Select your company code. What is your company code? VC01. Press enter. So when I pressed enter, system is asking one reconciliation account here. This is subledger account for accounts receivable. We need to create one GL account which is reconciliation account, which is used for accounts receivable transactions. Whenever I post any transaction to this customer or business partner, system automatically update the transactions to the reconciliation account. So what is my reconciliation? We have not created any reconciliation. Let us go to the FS00 to create customer reconciliation. FS00. So if you look at here, accounts payable, it was under sundry creditors, accounts payable. Now let us create under assets, sundry creditors. Okay. So what is my next? Yep, 1002. So I'll scroll this one. Select your belongs to which account group? Account type, balance sheet. Good. What is your account group here? Assets. Now sundry datas. Sundry datas. If you want, you can bracket. You can mention as AR accounts receivable. Sundry data CL also. So this one. If you want, still if you want to mention something reconciliation account, it's up to you. Okay, reconciliation account. Go back to the go to the next step, control data. So this will come automatically currency. So this is here one more important is reconciliation account for account type. This is important. So customers, earlier we have done it for accounts payable with K, vendors. Now customers, scroll down. So we can give sort key as 31 is 031 is customer number. Okay, this is only for reporting purpose. Create bank interest. Now you have to maintain your field status group. So this is also SAP has provided one separate field status group for reconciliation accounts. G067 reconciliation accounts. Press enter. Click on save. This is fine. So we created one accounts receivable reconciliation account. So 1002. Go back to your customer account. Assign here. So instead of assigning, you can just select from the F4 entries. We just check whether it updated or not. It updated, right? See, reconciliation. It came by itself when we created reconciliation as subledger. Okay. Now sort key 031. Just give the same number 031 customer number. Click on save. So I have defined customer company code details, but system is expecting some with some error, right? First edit the standard address with the error. So what are the errors we are seeing now? So here language key star. So let us select English language here. Click on save. So any other errors? I don't see any other errors. Successfully created customer, extended for general data and extended for company code. So now we can see here, sir, customer number and business partner number is same. So in case if you have the different number ranges, then this business partner number and customer number would be different. So that would if you have different numbers, what happens? It is very difficult to understand, right? What is my business partner for which customer it is very difficult. So if I know this number, if I don't know business partner, again I need to go with the tables, I need to extract the data, I need to find out for this customer what is my business partner. So it is always recommended SAP best practice to make both business partner and customer. It is SAP best practices. make the same number. Sir, anyone, any questions on the master data? Okay, so exit. So successful, we created one business partner with the customer. So we'll see comes a couple of tables also since we created business partner, right? What are the tables? Anyone? BUT 000 general data. So let us give business partner. What was our business partner? 800000101, right? So 101. Select here. So our business partner is VZDZ. That's correct. And this is your organization. We created organization, right? Which was Sandeep's favorite company, Starlink. And this is all about the details of general data under BUT 000. It's a business partner general data. Now let us take one more table. So BP roles. So I want to know what is my BP role. My BP role is VZDC. Sorry, BP role is FLCU00. So under company code we created this business partner. Okay. By mistake, I think I clicked something else. And one more table we have CVI underscore customer under link. Press enter. So here also we will get some customer ID. So with this customer ID, with this business partner GUID, so you can pass this in. You can pass this in BUT 000. Then you will get business partner ID. This is customer and this is your business partner GUID. So pass this, copy this and pass it in BUT 000. So here, what is GUID? Where is that? Here it's there, GUID. I'll copy here. Then I'll come to know what is my business partner. Okay. So BUT 000 will give you GUID and the other one CVA underscore the link table will give you customer ID. Any questions on these tables? We have two more couple of tables like KNA1 customer table, which is general data in customer master. Give the same ID since we created the same number for business partner and customer. Okay, again same details. KNB1. So KNB1 details also same. Company code level. We defined company code such as 031 1002 reconciliation account. Okay, so almost we had seen some around 5 tables. Sir, any question? Is that clear? The tables between customer and business partner. Okay, let us. So what we should do now? Let us go back to Excel tracker configuration settings. So we define till here. Account. Sorry, we are in accounts. Where is accounts receivable? Here. So let us, we have what we have done, we have defined the business partner configuration, later, sorry, account group configuration, then business partner configuration, then master data synchronization. Row number 273. So we need one income account, right? I mean, basically sales account. We are doing some sales to the customers. So we need a sales account. This one we already created. So we need one income account. Let us create one income account if we don't have. So we don't have any sales account. So let us create, copy here 4001. So tell me guys, what is account primary account type here? Sales belongs to which account type? Anyone? I'm creating sales account. Belongs to which account type? Everyone is sleeping or what? Okay, revenue, but which category it is? Comes under where? Exactly. So revenue belongs to primary cost, primary revenue. It's operating revenue, right? So I'm selecting as primary revenue here, and this anyhow this belongs to income group. Now here also we need to change to sales account. Okay, control data. This will be remain same. No changes here. and this will also remain change because this cost element category belongs to 11 revenues, and this belongs to G029 revenue accounts. We have separate field status group SAP provided. Click on save. So we created sales 4001. So we are done with master data, accounting, financial accounting, and the accounts receivable, document entry. So master records we defined, one customer master we defined. Now uh, go back to the document entry. So AB70 no, I'm trying to post one customer invoice. Okay, this is not our company code. Click on company code VZ01 customer, select from here. So system gives you the customer list with which customer you are going to do the invoice. Select the customer, it's Starlink, and give the date, today's date 14, and give some value 101. So GL account, sales account 4001, here 100, 101, press enter. So system is giving some message in company code Verizon VZ01. The number range 18 is missing. What is 18 number range? Customer. We are doing customer invoice transaction, so 18 number range belongs to customer invoice document type. We are doing customer invoice business transaction, data processing of customer invoice. So system is expecting some number ranges here. So slash o oba7, go to the document type, position, um, dr, very good, dear customer invoice. What is the number range? 18. So system is expecting one number range while posting, see 18. So that's the reason system is throwing error. We have not defined any number range. Click on number range, select your company code VC01, change intervals. This is our number range intervals. Press enter. 18. This is 2025, and this is what is the next number? 801 to 900. So this is controlled at our level, our company code level, right? That's the reason we don't have any dispute or any conflicts here. We are maintaining number range at our company core level. So that's the reason I'm not seeing any discrepancy. I'm not worried about the number range. It is very easy to define since we are defining the number ranges here for our company code. So no issues. Come back to the customer invoice. Use some reference value here. Enter. So system says period 003 2025 is not open for account type D. What is D? D is customer. So 1002. So 1002 is customer reconciliation account. Okay. So reconciliation account 1002, which is GL account, and D is customer. Okay. So system is expecting the period need to be opened. Where we open? Anyone? Slash O. What is the T code? OB52, and the posting period variant is PPV. V no, yeah, Verizon posting period variant. Okay, so this is correct. So that the reason is D is not open. We are in the third period. Third period is not open. I'm opening the third period, and also system is expecting for yes. So this is also open. So both are open. I click on save. Continue. Now we should resolve that error. Press enter. So that error has been resolved. Again, no amount authorization for customers and vendors in company code. So some issue. What is the issue? No amount authorization for customers, vendors in company code. Again, set the same thing, tolerances. Okay. So let us go to the slash n, so other, yeah, slash o spro. This is irritating error, right? Every time. So financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable. Let us see customer accounts, not this one, sorry. Accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions. I'm checking a different way. Okay, open it and clearing differences. So ASN uses two tolerance groups. So someone has maintained LKTG. Yep. Okay. So I'll remove this one. Click on save. If you are maintaining, if some tolerance group is maintained here, then what we should do? We should assign that LKTG to our company code. Okay. Then your issue will get resolved. So go back to the customer invoice, press enter. So still I'm getting this message. Let us check if we have that employees VZ01, VZ01, VC01. Do we have that VZ01? No, here. Whatever here we have VZ01. It's already maintained this entry. I don't see any issue. Anything maintained with the tolerance group, guys? No, I don't think so. No tolerance group maintained with that one. And let us check this one, customers and vendors position. So here company code is VZ01. Continue. Here also, we have no, here also we have this entry is there. And what else system is expecting here then? So press enter. Let us check if Sandeep is saying. So let us go with again 101 4001, which is customer sales account. So I press enter. So system is that error has been resolved. Okay. So system is expecting some cost account assignment. So I'm giving cost center, press enter. Okay. Click on back. So click on simulate. So this is our first entry for accounts receivable. Click on post. Any questions, guys? Is that clear what we have done now till now? So similar again. So our company code has two different principles. So under general ledger view you can see two different accounting principles. One is leading ledger 0L, another ledger is V1. Okay, two accounting principles. The other one is display currency. You can see it in, so since our document currency is INR, so document currency is also, I mean, your company code currency INR, so the values will be the same mode. There is no need of currency translation. If I go to the group currency, so systems gives me very clear that the 100 rupees will translate to the USD, which is 2.22. So this is coming as per it is coming from the currency exchange rate translation, exchange rate configuration, or exchange rate maintenance table. Okay. So anything else you want to know here? Two line items, these are called line items. And this is your header. So header belongs to BKPF table. Line item details belongs to AC docket table. Apart from this we have one more table, I'll show you. So there are a couple of tables. Transaction data, earlier we discussed the master data, now we are discussing on the transaction data. So BKPF, so this is, you already know, BKPF table. So company code, so document number is 801 and the company code is VZ01. Where is VZ01? VZ01. So this is our customer invoice, okay, which gives you all your header details table, header details, accounting document header. And now AC doc A table, universal journal entry line items. So company code is VZ01 and the document number is 801. So I posted two line items. So system is showing four line items. Why system is showing four line items, Ashwin? Okay, so yes, so system is showing leading ledger and non-leading ledger. So we have two accounting principles. Two accounting principles were assigned to the respective ledgers. So if you have five accounting principles, then system would have shown 5 into 2, 10 rows. Okay, so this table will show ledger wise. Okay, so we have couple of tables, even basic table, accounting document segment table. This is also similar, but it won't show ledger wise. Let us check 801, company code VZ01, execute. So see, it's not showing any ledger specific, it's showing entry specific. So whatever we posted, it will show the same thing. Okay, and we have one more table, open item table. So we posted one invoice now. We have not received any payment from customer. Still it is showing as open item. So custom company code is VZ01 and document number is 801. So accounting secondary index for customers, this is open item table. Okay. So we have once payment is done, it will show here PSAD. It's a cleared items. It is mentioned very clearly cleared items. So 801 company code VZ01 execute. It won't show anything because doesn't have any values. Once you make the payment for customer invoice, it will show here. So go back to the reports, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable. So we have account. So this is your line item browser. You can just check the different line items here. Okay. So customer, anyhow we have only one customer. So I'll select all items, execute. So for Verizon company code, I see one customer open item. So this is not the very good report. You can take another report /o FBL 5N report, which is very good report, universal report. Can select this one, click on all items, click on execute. Okay. Now you can see the customer invoice has 101 rupees where customer has to make the payment, which is open item. Okay. Now we need to make payment for this customer. So basically you're receiving amount from customer, which is called incoming payment. Earlier for the supplies we have done outgoing payment. This is incoming payment. So we need to receive some amount from customer. So what we should do, go to the accounts receivable document entry. Where is outgoing? It's incoming payment. Here it is there F-28. So select your document it, reference customer payment customer. Okay, I'm selecting the same header text also. Now here by which to which account you want to receive the amount. So I'm just selecting cashier bank. Now I want to select how much amount it was. Anyone? Yep, that's correct. So I'm receiving customer incoming payment. Incoming payment from which customer you are receiving. So we need to select here. So customer payment here, I mean from which customer you are receiving, from this customer you are receiving payment, and now you are receiving, I mean this customer may have n number of invoices. So to which invoice you are receiving this amount, against which invoice you are receiving this amount. So I'm selecting process open items. So system is expecting DZ number range here. What is DZ, guys? What is DZ? So DZ is customer incoming payment. That's correct. Customer payment. Okay, it is customer payment. Click on process open items. So we have not defined the number range /o fbn1. So for the DZ, what was the number? What is the identification for number range? It is asking 14 number range. So number range is 14. Go back to the intervals. Click here, change intervals. Click on positive. What is my next available number? Anyone? Is that correct? It's okay. Control, press enter. Okay, so come back to your post incoming payments, click on process open items. We have one invoice for this customer. For this Starlink, we have only one invoice. So it was 101, we are making payment of 101. This is clear. This has to be 0, debit credit. We entered 101, assigned for this customer was 101. This is fine. Document, simulate, click on post. So document, display. So go back to your customer, not this one. Customer line item report, this should get cleared if I'm not wrong. So customer invoice and customer payment has been cleared. come back to the table level. So earlier cleared items were not able to see because we have not made any payment. So 801 execute, system gives 801. Okay. So if you want to see, you can just remove this one, both both the invoice related item and the payment related item. You can see here. Now this has been removed from the other table, BSID table, open item table. This is cleared item. Open item came to the cleared item table. So clearing document 901 901. So for 801 we made the payment with 901. So payment document. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? If no questions, then what we'll do? So before we take some break, I'll show you. So as I mentioned, whenever you post any transaction to the customers, it will update in Sunday Data's account also. Let us see if Sunday Data's account also getting credited. I mean, getting updated with the report. So what is your Sunday Data account? Slash O FPL 3N all items. Let us check what is your Sunday Data's account. So whenever I make any postings to customers, will update reconciliation account also execute. So you should have both items. So DR this will also show open item cleared items. So this will just act like customer. So in the customer master we are assigning reconciliation account. This is done. So what else we have here? This is done. This is also fine. Account balances as usual. So slash n FD10N. This is your customer account balance. You can select your customer, select customer, continue, click on execute 101101. Okay. So we invoiced and we made the payment to this customer, and this is in the month of June. Okay. And what else we have? So we have one more transaction. If you want to block this customer, so accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records, block and block. Double click here. System will give you couple of options here. What are the couple of options? So under customer status, you can see here posting block. If you block company codes, this customer will block in all the company codes. You can't make postings for any of the company code. But if you select this one, okay, if you select this selected option, selected company codes, this will block only for this company code. This will block for this company code. And deletion blocks, if you are deleting the flag or a deletion flag, this deletion. So in future, if they are approaching with the archiving, so archiving the data, then this customer will get deleted. If you have some transaction data, if you have already posted the data, so the deletion is not possible. Is that clear? Okay, so we are done with the configuration, business partner configuration, number ranges, the basic invoice and payment, and so also understanding the master data tables and transaction data tables.